Igbo Progressive Union Atlanta Dialogue Series. Theme: 50 years after the war. Which way Nigeria? The speaker, Professor Philip Uko Effiong, has been teaching at the college level for over 20 years and holds a PhD in drama from the University of Wisconsin at Madison. He received his master's in literature of the African diaspora and bachelor's in English, both from the University of Calabar in Nigeria. His father, Major General Effiong, led the Biafran peace delegation to Nigeria to end the Civil War. Date: March 21st, 2020. Time: 3 o'clock p.m. Venue: Best Western Plus Roswell, 907 Holcomb Bridge Road, Roswell, Georgia. Zip code 30079. Registration fee $10. Phone numbers 770-895-5545 or 314-359-0058. Website: www.ipuatlanta.org. IPUA means Igbo Progressive Union Atlanta. Be there. Thank you.